Ito rin po, huwag tularan.
That's so fun.
Tignan nyo yan, tignan nyo yan.
Hello friends! Welcome to the Snooki Serna channel. Dalawa sa kilala at pinagpipitagang singer-comedians ang kasama natin ngayon. To say that I am thrilled is an understatement. Kaya samahan ninyo ako dahil masaya ito. Our first guest ay isang nagbabalik bansa to do what she does best. Entertain her Filipino fans. Ang isa naman ay nakasama na natin last year in one of our funniest and exciting episodes. Friends, let's welcome ang mga mahal ko at hinahangaan ko, the extraordinarily talented Fe de los Reyes and the fascinating and iconic Mitch Valdez! Hello! Welcome to the show!
Thank you.
Gusto mo kantahan ka namin kaagad?
Sige.
Oh my, kanta.
Pag tumatanda ang daming gawan, bawasan ng asukal, kailangan ng mag-ingat sa ating kalusugan. So di pwede ang shrimp, di pwede ang shrimp, di na pwede. I want my pork chicharron. I want my deep fried lechon.
It's bad for you.
That's what I like. That's what I like.
It's bad for you.
That's what I like. That's what I like. I want my halo-halo. I want my banana cue.
Too sweet for you.
That's what I like. That's what I like.
Too sweet for you.
That's what I like. That's what I like.
Kanta ng mga seniors.
Thank you!
Oh my God.
How have you been, guys? How are you guys?
Oh, how are you?
Congratulations
How are you?
sa inyong dalawa. Meron
I'm
kayo-
doing great. I'm
I
so
know you are.
happy. And talagang na-miss ko po ang Pilipinas. And wow. And we're back because the seniors are back for Sex and the Seniors. Kasi may show kami.
Malapit na akong maging partner o miyembro ng inyong club. Hopefully, prayerfully.
Magkakaroon ka na ng senior card. 20%
Hopefully,
discount.
yes. Malapit.
Mga
Isang taon na
kaibigan.
lang.
Kaibigan dati, kinakarga ko yun na baby, dinadala ng nanay niya sa bahay.
Pwede pa
Tapos
naman.
magmamadyong sila. Pagkatapos, ayan nila pinapalitan ng lampi. Tapos ayan na, senior citizen na!
Welcome to the club!
Yes, thank you. Thank you, guys. Pero bago ang lahat, nakapag-subscribe na ba kayo? Kung hindi pa, please subscribe. Of course, like, share, and please don't skip the ads. Thank you. How does it feel to be relevant?
Ano sabihin ng relevant?
Oo nga, pakitanggalin lang sa Google.
Nasa uso pa?
You know,
Uso ang matanda ngayon eh.
no, actually, to be serious,
Okay.
Serious? I think the success, because we're having a repeat, the success of this show is we were just talking about it kahapon. Ang mga senior citizens, walang napuntahan for entertainment.
Yeah.
Kasi lahat pang bata, pang ano, there are bands. Of course, wonderful. There's
Rock and
excellent,
roll!
oo, yung mga ganon. Pero maraming seniors na meron naman silang savings and funds.
I like the way.
Pinaganda. You're so, you're so
Pinaganda
politically
pa.
correct.
Oo,
Yan,
savings
mayayaman
and
po.
and they don't know where to go for entertainment. And that's where Fe and I come in. Kasi alam na alam namin yung pulso ng senior citizen, what they undergo, and
Yeah.
how to laugh about your senior
How
citizenship.
to be,
Yeah.
be proud of your age.
Yeah, kasi-
And I also want to congratulate you both because sold out ang concert, ang
Yes!
show.
Salamat sa
Congratulations
audience.
to you
Salamat
both.
sa
Alam mo
audience.
yun umuulan, bumabagyo, pero tinuloy namin talaga.
Gusto ko nga singilin lahat ng restaurant doon sa promenade kasi kumita sila.
Ano yung bago sa show na to?
What makes the show different?
What makes it, yes.
Yeah.
Well, unang-una magkasama kami ni Mitch, you
Yes.
know, well, that makes a difference,
Right,
really, does
right,
it?
right.
You know, we
Sa
haven't...
States lang kami nagsasama in the shows in the States
yeah.
because when I go there and then
Yeah.
we meet up and then we do some
So
some
we
shows.
were reunited, but the show is it's a comedy cabaret. There's a lot of singing in the show with Mel Villena, you know, the A
Yun
and
ang
the great
bago,
Mel. It's a
Villena.
live band,
Yun
and
ang
it's
bago.
well, it's a very honest show. Now we talk about aging and
sex,
sexuality,
and aging sex.
and yeah, but and sisterhood, Robin
and aging
Hood.
sex.
Yeah, so, pero hindi po bastos ang aming show.
Ay, hindi po.
Sexuality
Ayaw namin
is,
bastos.
ayaw namin. Naughty lang kami.
Factual but not bastos.
Ayun. And you know what, Mitch and I are so different. You know, we're
Totoo po yan. Hindi ko alam kung paano kami nagkasundo.
Oo, magkaiba kami. Pareho kaming komedyante. Pero ang buhay namin ay magkaiba. Pati personality, akala nyo, magkaiba rin. Kasi ako ang demure. Siya hindi. Hindi po totoo yan.
Baliktad po. Kasi po sa in private, ako po yung tahimik.
Totoo yan.
Si Fe po ang lokaret. No, honestly, she's like a butterfly.
Oh, like my shirt. Uy, I'm blending with
I
the
love it.
shirt.
Tignan nyo yan, tignan nyo yan.
My God!
Di ba si Pe, ang tagal sa Amerika?
Yeah, 32 years.
32 years.
I've been living in the States for 32 years now, but I would go back and forth
And
naman
it's a
dito.
beautiful 32 years.
Wow, yes it is.
But then you were offered to do something with the great Mitch Valdez.
Diba?
How can I say no naman to her?
Yes, that's true.
No, but
So how did you feel doing something
Okay.
with...
You know
may
what?
storya to.
Baliktad.
Baliktad.
I went to her birthday show,
In
Yeah.
theater.
and there I was just enjoying. And then after her show, she came down greeting everybody because her friends are my friends.
Yes, we have common friends.
We have common friends. So, and then she goes, "Hoy, show naman tayo!" Gumano na lang.
Totoo yun! Totoo yun! Sabi ko,
Tapos hindi na ako pinansin, no? Ang dami-dami ng gano'n. Mamaya, tumawag na siya at yun na nga, sineryoso na siya.
Seryoso naman pala yung...
I've been wanting to do a show with Mitch because
Here.
the last time I mean, you know, friends for 45 years, but
tagal na.
we were separated for what? 38
By birth.
years.
By birth.
And then sabi ko, show tayo, Mitch. And then,
Yes.
you know,
Natuloy.
Natuloy.
How did the friendship start?
neighbors kami ni Mitch, ha? We lived in
Same
Sikatuna.
compound, yeah.
Same compound. Pero alam mo, malaki kasi ang tanda ni Mitch sa akin. So talagang nauna siya eh. Vaudeville pa lang.
Did you
No,
initially
music
like
and
each
math.
other?
Ah,
oh, yes.
Did you
Oh,
initially like each other?
No, I loved you, Mitch.
Well, thank you. Actually, she was part of the Music and Magic.
Yes.
And
Yeah. I'm a big
with
fan.
Kula Desma. And then we used to watch the band. I didn't know her from Adam. And then I noticed na that there is in the back, she was a backup singer.
I was
of
a backup
Coup.
singer of Coup.
And there was this kitty-kitty girl na talaga sabi ko, sino ba yun? Sabi ko, grabe.
Sino ba yung magaling na yun?
Hindi naman masyado.
Sige nga.
And then, after that, na common friends, we went out, and then the common friends were
The Bacolod.
tumira sa kanya yung what we call Bacolod Boys ni
Boys.
Peke Galiaga, na mga Lasal students na pumunta dito sa Manila.
Ang mga boys ko, alam mo
Oo,
sino?
sinong mga borders mo?
Joel Torre.
Oh, yan, border.
Ronnie Lazaro.
Border.
Jet
actor.
Montalibano.
Boyfriend. Ex.
Super
I
X,
know.
yung Triple X. And Toto Hentica, Music and Magic. Lahat boys. So
Yes.
talagang, and they were just, starting and mga...
Yeah, trying to make a career.
So ako ang kanilang
And
mamasan.
eventually all made very well.
Yes,
Did they?
Oo, ang
exactly.
yayaman na nila.
Oo.
Did you find Beth funny?
Be honest, Mitch. That's
Very funny. Yes, because she will not be successful if she weren't funny. She has the
I
she
agree.
has the pulso of the audience, especially in the States when she makes pag pinagtatawanan niya, yung pinapatawa niya yung audience na yung mga quirks ng Pinoy na nasa Amerika.
No, Mitch, because nga, nauna siya sa akin ng maraming years. No, aray ko. Lakas Pero hinahangaan ko si Mitch hanggang ngayon.
Thank you.
And I think talagang Mitch is funny, she's intelligent, she's...
Thank you.
Okay ka naman, thank you. Tama na.
Oo naman.
But totoo po yun. And so with music, nakilala ko si Mitch, Maya Valdez pa lang siya, pinapanood ko siya. But with Music and Magic, yun na.
Yes, they had a big concert.
Yeah, she was our guest.
Would you agree with me, ladies, na yung market nyo, yung type of comedy nyo, hindi pa masyadong saturated? Or saturated na ba siya?
Hindi.
Not yet. Female comedians na kumakanta?
Hindi.
Not
Well,
yet.
there's, kasi Kukay, there are generations na talaga, no? So, we're thankful for television that has allowed us to stay in the public eye.
Correct.
Thank you to all the teleseries who got us and to all the guestings and the promos and
Social media.
Social media. Thank you so
But
much.
thank you for guesting
It keeps us in the
Thank
public
you for
eye.
saying yes to us.
So, yun, we're
Yeah.
very, very grateful also, especially to you and to Bum.
Oh, thank
I don't
you.
think it's saturated.
Not yet.
As long as, hindi. Ang tao...
Marami pa naman
ang-
buhay na sinya.
At saka ang tao, I think they like to laugh, you know?
I agree. That's true.
Gusto pa rin nilang tumawa.
With music.
What
With
is
music.
good comedy to you?
Pag na-touch mo yung pulso ng tao na familiar sa kanya yung humor or yung kinikwento mo.
Correct.
Kumbaga, it needs a personal... Kasi kami hindi pwede yung punchline lang ng mga gags. Kailangan yung nangyari na sa amin, tapos alam namin na nangyari na rin sa audience. Kasi kung alam namin hindi pa nangyayari sa audience, hindi namin gagawin.
You laugh at what is true. I'll say that again. And ako ang audience ko, sila ang script ko eh. Nilalike lang namin.
Sarili namin. No, we love to throw, personally, I like doing pot shots at current events.
Yeah, si Mitch yan. Si Mitch is very current events.
What is the difference of the audience abroad and our audiences here?
Hindi sila ganun how do you say, critical? They enjoy, because they miss,
Because they love being entertained
they
more
love-
than the ones
they love
here.
being entertained.
Especially sa US, they are not so, how do you call this, critical. Because they're so grateful and takaw for Filipino entertainment for them. No?
Yes.
Not like here.
Hungry.
Yeah, hungry.
Pero ang gustong-gusto nila, minsan, kahit hindi na sila, hindi ka na kumanta, makakuha ng picture. Maka-selfie lang, ang saya-saya na nila.
They bring their foreign husbands.
Yes, but
And their foreign
correct.
children.
Paano ko yung kasama ninyo sa show? Standoffish, parang gusto niya yun, nananapaw siya. Do you have you ever had any experience like that? And how would you handle that situation?
Wala namang nangyari pa sa akin ganun. Pero kung sasapawan niya ako,
Hayaan mo siya?
Hayaan mo siya. Sasabihin ko sapawan ko din siya. Hindi. Walang nangyayari.
Yeah.
I think, then I will just have to step up and
Your game.
Do your job
my
well.
job, do my best, and
I've always thought that the person who always tries to make sapaw has a certain amount of lack of confidence.
yeah.
So you just allow the person because actually, matalino din ng audience, nakikita ng audience yung ginagawa nung kasama mo. So, you just let him or her run her course and then mauubusan din yan.
Parang
Kasi
parang
important.
sinumpong lang, ano?
Oo, mapapagod din yan.
Kahit naman sa eksena, dapat suporta dapat. Imbis na nagsasapuan, dapat support each other.
Yun
Or
yung
saluhan
aming-
din.
Saluhan.
Pag isa medyo nagkukulang, pupunuan mo, tapos gano'n.
When you're young, it really affects you. But at this point in our lives, when you're experienced and you're a senior citizen, nothing can face you. Nothing can, kasi manood ka na, tapos ka na. Pagkatapos yung ganon, kasi you know who you are.
Makinig kayo sa aming mga nakakatanda, ha? Dahil may karanasan na kami.
What about during these times naman that you feel bad, may mga masama yung pakiramdam nyo or you have loss of a family, going through a heartbreak. What do you...
The show
The
must,
show must
go
go on. How do you
on.
handle those situations?
I have a very
It's
example for that.
segmented.
Dapat
You
ganun.
segment, you
That's
know
true.
that, Kokay, na if something is... I love
Compartmentalizing.
what Katie de la Cruz, the queen of vaudeville, said before. Walang kinalaman ang mga nanonood sa nangyayari sa likod ng entablado.
Correct.
So kung ano yung iniiyak mo sa likod ng entablado, paglabas mo, it's showtime. When my father passed away, I had a guesting and I attended the guesting and nobody knew except the one who got me. So, but sabi ko, is it wrong to make people laugh while your father just passed away? No, because that's what he would like for you to do, to get on with your profession and your career. So, yun, segmented.
With me, nangyari talaga sa akin. Nagpapatawa na ako, music and magic pa lang. But ang experience ko na talagang sabi ko, ay, komedyante nga ako. Kasi, yung boyfriend mo for 5 years, naka-live-in mo for 5 years, hiniwalayan ka at December 31, New Year's Eve, after a big show, binigyan ka ng goodbye letter, syempre, umiyak ka ng umiyak. The next day, January 1, another kailangan big show, mukha kong langaw, iyak ako ng iyak buong gabi at araw, ako ang nagpapatawa. Sabi ko, who cares about what you just broke up or you cried all night and all day? I really look like a fly. I'm not kidding. Kahit anong makeup ko, mukha akong langaw, pero nagpatawa pa rin ako. Sabi ko, ay, ganito pala ang clown.
Kilala kayo as being very intelligent, both of you are very cerebral, witty, totoo to.
Thank you.
Beautiful women of substance, beautiful inside and out.
Thank you.
Na-intimidate ang mga lalaki sa inyo.
Aba dapat.
Ay, gusto ko yan.
You know what? Ako late bloomer ako talaga. Akala ko nga hindi ako mag-aasawa. Kasi ang gira pala pag komedyante ka, nobody takes you serious. I really thought I wasn't gonna get married. But then, meron pa rin na-in love. Meron pa rin na-in love.
You've been married for how many years
I've been
now?
married
He's very nice.
29 years
If
na.
I may say so myself,
Yeah, he met
he's
my
a good
husband.
man.
Yeah, and he's
Alagaan mo yan.
Oy! Oo naman. He's very lucky. Oy!
Ay.
I'm very lucky.
Maaari ba akong humingi ng payo sa inyong dalawa? Gusto naming malaman ng mga audience namin dito.
Yes.
Payo pagdating sa mga dapat at hindi dapat.
Uy.
I'll
Si Mitch
start-
magaling dyan.
Eto na, I'll start with this first.
Okay.
Dapat at hindi dapat pagdating sa lalaki.
Mitch, mauna ko. Mas experience ka eh.
We'll go first.
Dapat at hindi dapat
Pagdating sa lalaki.
Dapat ang babae may sariling hanap buhay na hindi nakasandal sa financial support ng lalaki.
Yes.
Kasi doon nagkakaroon ng problema. Kasi pag yung babae masyadong nakasandal sa lalaki, doon nawawalan ng sariling identity at desisyon yung babae na gumawa ng diskarte para sa kanyang buhay. Sa lalaki naman, wala akong masasabi tungkol sa mga lalaki, kaya nga ako hindi nag-asawa.
Thank you.
Sa lalaki anong dapat? Dapat mahalin nila at respetuhin ang babae. Kahit may trabaho siya o walang trabaho siya, lalo kung asawa siya, pero kung kailangan respetuhin ang babae. And then, ang hindi dapat is meron kasi yung mga macho pa, nagmamacho-macho dyan ng mga lalaki, nagpapamacho. Yung mga nagpapamacho, actually, yun ang mga weak eh.
Alin naman ngayon ang hindi dapat at dapat sa isang relasyon?
Di ba sabi nila, the man is the head of the family. I believe that, but the woman is the neck. Kasi pag wala kang neck, hindi makakagalaw lalaki. So in a relationship, I think it's a give and take. Kailangan you may give and take sa isang relationship.
Ang hiling ko lang sa mga nag-aasawa, please be friends first.
Yes, shake hands. Very good.
Because if you're gonna go for romance, it fades, but friendship does not fade, and like Fe says, respect does not fade.
Yes.
What you want, baby, I got it. What you need, you know I got it. At kanta ko yun ng respect.
Dapat at hindi dapat pagdating naman sa pagiging senior.
Okay, mag-retire.
Tama. Tama.
Okay,
I
mag-retire.
agree.
Habang may buhay, gumawa kayo ng lahat ng pwede nyo pang gawin. Huwag nyo gamitin ang pagka-senior as an excuse na as a matter of fact, as much as possible, hanggang nakakalakad kayo, huwag kayo mag-wheelchair sa airport.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, do things for yourself. Wag po, kasi doon po nag-uumpisa yung deterioration ng mental capacity nyo at deterioration ng katawan ninyo.
Dapat, even if you are in your 50s or your 60s,
70s, 80s.
Dapat pangalagaan ang sarili. Actually, walking is the best. Any age.
Especially ngayon po sa traffic.
Okay, walking is the best exercise. Kami, sometimes you have to also
Go with the times.
go with the times. You have to, ayoko rin naman magpaiwan, so I also try to,
Of course.
siyempre, nagsa-social media rin kami, nagpa-Facebook kami, Instagram.
Nagpo-promote kami.
I was saying na ngayon kasi artificial intelligence na, hindi mo na alam kung ano yung totoo. So, sana po ma-distinguish natin kung ano yung totoo at hindi totoo. Ito po,
Totoo.
totoo.
Wala pong
Sex
retoke
in the
yan.
seniors. Diba?
Pero okay lang magparitoke kung kailangan nyo talaga.
Ay, oo naman.
Oo
Kung
naman.
gusto naman.
For good health.
Yeah.
At saka for
Yeah.
kung gumaganda ang inyong appearance and for confidence. Wag
Why
lang po
not?
yung paglabas ninyo sa clinic, hindi na po kayo kilala.
Kasi ang iba, hindi talaga titigan at yung tenga, magkasama na sa likod yun. Yan. Diba?
Dadako naman tayo sa pick a name.
Ayan.
First name?
Ako ang nagwagi!
Si Dulce?
Ito, si Dulce.
Okay.
Mga kaibigan, si Dulce po ay isa pong tularan sapagkat nanggaling po yan sa talagang sad-sad na kahirapan.
Wow,
Nagpursigi. I'm very unlucky in love before. I don't know now, but you know. So, look at her. She's still there. She's doing concerts. She's very spiritual. So, I'm happy to be called your friend, Dulce.
Wow!
Fedelos
Ay,
Reyes!
Diyos ko! Ay, ako? Miss Gandahan.
Ito rin po, wag tularan.
Oh my gosh.
Sa totoo lang po, napakaganda po ng puso nitong babaeng ere.
Uy, iyak ako.
Iyakin to, nakakainis. I'm so happy for her that she has a good man. And she has wonderful children that made her into a lola.
Naiiyak
10
din ako
times over.
Emotional.
And siya po yung nakita ko na nag-United States of America, naging housewife, naging sarili niyang nagluluto at inaalagaan ng kanyang mga baby at kung ano-ano. Pagkatapos niyang maghugas ng pinggan, ay nagbibihi siya ng long gown para po mag-show na kasama ako. John Santos. Classmate niya. Ito pong si John Santos, napaka-intriguing na, ano ba tawag sa iyo, John? Natililito na ako sa mga pronouns at mga
Oo, di ba?
napaka-intriguing na individual. It's the same. He came from a good family and is very educated and intelligent. These are one of the people whom I admire because he writes his own script.
Yeah.
He's so witty that he can come up with a punchline anytime.
Yeah.
He has a good soul, and I'm so happy na he branched out from playing characters into now becoming his own person as a comic.
Ay, it's your turn. Oh, wow. Angeli Pangilinan!
Hi, Angeli!
I love you, Angeli. No, Angeli Pangilinan, she was with Music and Magic. And,
The wife of Gary V.
okay, Angeli has a very good heart, but during the Music and Magic days, si Angeli, kaming dalawa ang laging magkaaway. Love-hate relationship kami ni Angeli. I truly love her, pero kami yung ang tawag sa
Untugan, banggaan.
Untugan. Because malakas ang personality ni Angeli, nagkataon din. Malakas din ang personality ko. So, Odette Quesada.
Beautiful person.
Yeah, Odette Quesada is my sister. She's my sister from
Soulmate.
another, if there's such a thing as soulmate, she's my dearest friend. We are more than friends. We are really a family. We're sisters, and I love her. She's very witty. She's very smart. She's very talented, and she's done a lot for me. Kasi sila ni Boji Dasig, her late husband, sila ang may buong buhay ko sa Amerika, sila ang karamihan ng music, ng materials ko, gawa ni Odette at ni Boji. So malaki ang utang na loob ko kay Odette, and mahal na mahal ko si Odette talaga. And
Sana friend mo rin ako.
siya yung tinatakbuhan ko.
Yes.
Siya yung si Odette may pagka-Mitch, yung walang ang tawag doon, honest siya. Magsasabi ng totoo, walang kulay.
He'll tell you as it is.
Yeah, kasi mahal ka niya. So, magagawa mo lang naman yon sa taong mahal mo. Kula Desma! Music and Magic! Well, Kula Desma, she's my ate. Of course, everybody knows that I was a backup singer. I started as a backup singer for Kula Desma in Music and Magic. Ku is a star. From day one, alam mo na she's gonna be a star. She's dominant. Si Ku is very classy. She has this thing for fashion, and I respect Ku.
And she's helpful.
She's very helpful. She also a very soft heart. She's misunderstood by many, but Ku, if you really know her, she means well.
Hi, sino yan?
Mitch Valdez!
Sino ba yan? Diyos ko naman.
I think nasabi ko na yung katotohanan kay Mitch. Si Mitch,
terrible naman.
unang-una, nung hindi pa kami talaga close, inahangaan ko na talaga si Mitch. Si Mitch is a fabulous, fantastic performer. She's like, pag pinanood mo si Mitch, solve ka na, di ba? Talagang,
Thank you.
Everybody knows that. She's not only a magaling na artista, hayop na singer, hayop din ang ugali.
Wow, pare, hayop!
Hayop talaga. And si Mitch is something like, parang ano yan what you see is what you get. She will tell you what she feels. She's honest and she's truthful. And totoong tao. Totoo ba?
Yeah.
But
Pati bilbil, pati double chin. Totoo na.
she's very independent. What an independent... if you want the epitome of independence, this is the woman. Because she can stand...
Pero gusto ko ng lalaki, ha?
Kaso, anong ginawa mo? Tsapwera mo sila.
Okay sila, okay.
Ako, gusto ko ng lalaki talaga. Asawa ko yun, ha? I love men and I love my man.
Biro lang po. Ganyan lang po kami.
I love you, me.
Love you!
Kung magkakaroon kayo ng pagkakataon na makausap ang Diyos, what would you say to thank Him?
My dear Lord, thank you so much for bringing me here. There were years when I abandoned you. There were years when I was angry with you. But you never left me. And you allowed me to discover you. And from that time that I rediscovered you, you have never left me, even when I throw tantrums, etc., etc. So now I can go on with my life, and you are what gives me strength. And the strength is I am a person, and I have discovered that that journey helped me become what I am today. So thank you very much for your love. Ba't kamiyak? Buhay ko yun!
Eh bakit Diyos ko rin yun eh?
Pambira naman! Gado.
God, please forgive my friends. No, I can, dear
She
God.
knows what I went through.
Yeah. I've been through a lot. Pero hindi ako pinabayaan.
Yes.
I have been through a lot. If I say a lot, it's a lot. But He was always there. Yeah. And salamat po sa comedy. Kasi sabi ko nga, ay, my life is not that funny. Baka akala nyo my life is funny. But thank you to comedy for being, so I'm
The
able,
gift.
so I'm, the gift of comedy, so I'm able to convey pain in a fun way. But that gift came from Him. So,
Yes.
maraming salamat sa'yo for blessing me. Tama ba yung English
Tama
ko?
yun, Fe. Tuloy mo lang yan. Kaya mo yan.
Kasi hindi mo ako. Kasi hindi mo ako.
Itong dalawang to nag-iiyak.
Kasi iyakin ako, kainis. Basta, alam mo na yun, God, minsan may magkakasala ako, pero, nagkakasala. No, minsan
Alam ko
nakakalimutan
yun.
kita. Minsan talaga, patawarin mo ako. Pero, I can only thank you for what you have given me and my family and my friends.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Especially the gift of comedy and humor. That
Oh my
is so
God.
valuable.
Buti na lang!
Buti na lang.
At saka buti na lang natatawa sila sa atin, ano?
Words to ponder from Isaiah chapter 40, verse 31. But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary, and they shall walk and not faint. Amen. And with your permission, I would like to thank Mia Maison Home Fragrances, Jill Stewart Imported Eyewear. Thank you to Miss Ace Nepomuceno Chang, Omnident Dental Center, located at 1706 Rimando Building, E. Rodriguez Senior Avenue, Cubao, Quezon City. Thank you to Doctors Elijah and Pauline, and also to Dangwa Mystic Blossom. They are located at 1254 Migalin Street, Sampaloc, Manila. Thank you. To our new sponsor, thank you, Ready Set Glow PH. Ready Set Glow products are available in Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. Just search Ready Set Glow PH. Available din po sila sa Watson and SM Department Store. Maraming salamat po, Miss Marian Sigaot at sa buong RSG family. Thank you so much. And special shout out to our venue, QZ Studio here at 56 Camias Road, Quezon City. Salamat po, Sir Jamin Lim. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please hit the subscription button para alam niyo po kung kailan yung mga next episodes natin.
Yes.
Thank you, guys.
Subscribe now!
To this beautiful ladies, I would like to thank you.
Uy, ang bilis mo tumayo, ah!
Ano yung flowers? Do you want the red or the pink? I will be generous.
No,
What
red.
you want?
What you want? Baby, you got it! You said na you wanted red, eh.
Okay.
Message to your fans.
Uy.
Hello, fans! No, thank you for being there. I started 1970. It's 55 years of an audience. Thank you so much for allowing me to grow old with you, and thank you so much to the newcomers who will grow old with me balang araw when I reach 100 years in showbiz.
Yeah, thank you. And thank you also to all of you who've been with me from way back from Music and Magic. And now, the fans of, because Odette is my dearest friend, yung mga fans ni Odette, uy, fans ko na din! Kung merong Alcunatics, meron ng fanatics.
By transference.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bukay! Anytime. Anytime.
Thank you.
Pagkasama po silang dalawa, siguradong hindi po kukulangin sa kwentuhan at tawanan. Mitch Valdez and Fede Los Reyes are two of the most brilliant, talented, and respected artists we have in the industry. Hindi po matatanggihan. Kaya naman when they speak, we listen. When they sing, we are charmed. And when they do a show, we watch.
Yay!
And we should. Ito po si Snooki Serna. Maraming salamat at patuloy po kayong sumuporta sa akin. Salamat po sa pagmamahal. And always remember that whatever happens, rain or shine, friends po tayo. Bye! Hope to see you again soon. God bless you.